A lot of people publish to Amazon KDP thinking, word search books are trending. Let me make one. But here's the problem. Some of these niches are oversaturated, and your book will get buried. That's why I use Publisher Rocket's competition score to avoid those traps before I even start writing. Let me show you. I'll search how to write in the keyword search tool. Boom! You'll see the number of competitors in that keyword. And with this data, you can see what is a good keyword and what is not. If you're serious about making sales on KDP, use Publisher Rocket to find low competition keywords and smarter niches. I dropped the link in the description. Check it out. It's a one-time purchase that will save you from months of frustrations.